My name is Bernhard Kittel. I'm Vice Dean of Research at the faculty. I have the honor and it's my pleasure to introduce you to tonight's chat, which is a joint enterprise of the two institutions.
Obviously, it's not just a technical aspect, but something that has very far-reaching sociological and maybe also political perspectives.
He agreed on the view that it's quite likely some big changes are going to take place in banks, in central banks, in payment systems, maybe possibly in currencies.
What I say is that the blockchain as a technology is very valuable, but the currencies aren't necessarily.
But how really we can trust that it's not the Fed to use Bitcoin because of it's not scalable.
This is the last event in this program at which Governor Nowotny can participate in his capacity as the OeNB governor. I would like to thank him especially for his personal commitment and his support of our faculty.